Okay guys, I just wanted to show you how to adjustment AMG GTR spoiler. I mean just a little bit hard because very tight these screws. Just you have to turn this way, okay? This way to forward to your side, and as you seen I remove with drill. Just be careful, don't make it scratch, okay? Just remember you have to this, you have to hold here, okay? You have to hold the same as this side to here, because if not it's moving, both side is moving. And after that, when you hold this section with the drill, turn this way, okay? Turn this way to turn on, and now is moving. Whatever you want you can adjust it, okay? It's not difficult, but just you have to carefully do it to make sure not making any damage. But I have paint protection film on it, but just remember, if you want to replace the spoiler or something like that, you have to unscrew, make sure it's not loose to make damage or a scratch. And after that, now you can tie it, okay? Whatever you like. For more downforce like this, remember you need a T27, okay? T27. Let me show you. If you have T28 is much better, but 27 is work, because I don't have. Do you see now? I just bring a little bit. Do you see the gap? But that's okay. But for downforce, I believe that this is the best. I have to driving to see what will happen. Okay. T27 or 28 is the best, okay? Let me show you. Okay. Yes, T27 is good. You don't need T28. Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna show you from this angle. Right now it's 80% up. I didn't do 100% because probably gas mileage get more. That's why this is the best angle. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you like, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.